Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, August the 19th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, I do want to go over a few updates on some previous videos that I've uploaded this week. The first one, I did upload a 5 off $25 prep video for you all yesterday, so if you are looking for more deals to do at DG today, or if you need substitutions for your 5 off $25 scenarios, that is the perfect video with over 100 deals included. Now, I also want to remind everybody that I did upload a gain video earlier this week, so if you plan on doing any gain deals today, make sure that you go back and check that one out, because I have included some really important tips and tricks in that video. Alright, our third update is going to be on the Dollar General clearance event. Today is the last day for the clearance event, so if you need to go back and check out my videos, I've already uploaded 3, going over all the different categories, talking about all the things with visuals, all kinds of good stuff. Now, with the clearance event, Dollar General has messed up somewhere along the line, and if you scan an item, such as we have the lawn and garden items, those are 50% off right now during the clearance event. If you scan that item with the DG app, it is going to still show up at full price. However, once you get up to the register and they hit total, or if you go through self-checkout and you hit pay now, that will correct itself at the register. All right, our next update is on the Green Star apparel. Thanks to some amazing, crazy couponers. Huge shout out to Annette, Laura, Becca, and then there was a couple that did not want to be mentioned. They sent in some pictures and deals to me this week, so huge shout out and thank you to them. But they found the Green Star Bobby Brooks clothing. So we have different sleep pants, yoga pants. We also have some t-shirts, men's, women's, and kids. So be on the lookout for those. Normally, I would say scan it with your Dollar General app, but this is one of those things that you're going to have to take up to the register and see if it will drop down for you all. But these will be 50% off during this clearance event. And I do have some more visuals that I will be putting together, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, for our 5th update, we are going to be talking about the run glitch deals on the notebooks and the crayons. Now, I know that several of the YouTube channels were reporting that this was a dead deal yesterday. However, there are still lots of people who are getting in on these deals, and I can confirm that because I have seen the receipts with the times and the dates. Now, I will say to proceed with caution, because maybe this glitch isn't working at all stores any longer. I'm not quite sure. Maybe we just have some really lucky, crazy couponers. So if I do luck up today and find any crayons, I'm just going to ring up 2, hit pay now, see what happens, and then from there, I'll know whether or not the glitch is working at that store. Now, on the notebooks, you do have to purchase 10. That 2 off 10 coupon should still be coming off, but in the case that it does not, you can always just void that transaction. All right, guys, so there you have it for all of our major updates. Again, huge shout out and thank you to those crazy couponers who sent me in pictures, UPCs, receipts, deals, all of the things this week. That was a huge, huge help. And of course, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, let's go ahead and talk about our 5 off $25 scenarios for today, only August the 19th at Dollar General. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So, when you're in the store, it is very important to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. All right, so first up, we have our Gain deal. We talked about this earlier in the week, but just in case anybody missed it, pick up 4 of the Gain laundry products. You can mix and match however you would like, or you can pick up 4 of the same item for $4.50 each. Just make sure that you scan it to make sure that 6 off 4 digital coupon does attach. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain scented FEBREZE products priced at $3.25. We have the air sprays, the small spaces, or the wax melts. Then throw in an Always Discreet 26 count liner at $3.25 and 3 of the Crest Prohealth toothpaste at $1 each. That's going to put you at $27.50. And here is your list of coupons. Now, of course, you're going to need your 5 5 off 25. I didn't include it in this list because at the time we were talking about daily deals that y'all could do during the week. But you're going to need that 5 off 25 today, along with your 5 off 20 Gain Digistore coupon, the 6 off 4 Gain, the 150 off 1 FEBREZE, the 4 off 1 Always Discreet, the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest products, and the 2 off 1 Crest Prohealth. And after coupons, you're going to pay $3 for all 9 items, making each one just 33 cents each. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to be getting gain wasted today. All right, next up, we have a food deal. For this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 2 liters at $2.50 each, 1 bag of the Munchies chips at $3.45, 2 of the Red Baron pizzas, they're on sale 2 for $10, 1 Kool-Aid packet at 34 cents, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each. Keep in mind there are 3 different ones that are working with this glitch. You're going to throw in the Crest Prohealth toothpaste for $1, the Always Discreet liners at $3.25, and 1 American greeting card at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.54. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, the buy one get one free Pepsi and pizza coupon, the 75-cent off 1 Kool-Aid product, 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest, 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 4 off 1 Always Discreet, and the 50-cent off 1 American greeting cards. After coupons, you're going to pay $4.79 for 11 items, making each one just 43 cents each. Not bad for a really good food deal. All right, up next we have another food deal. For this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Angelo's dinners, priced at $4.50 each, 1 Pepsi or Mountain Dew 2 liter at $2.50, 1 of the Munchies chips at $3.45, 1 of the Sweet Tart ropes 3-ounce bags at $1, 2 of the Mott's fruit snacks at $1 each, 1 Kool-Aid packet for 34 cents, 1 American greeting card for 50 cents, and 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.29. And here's your coupon. So you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Angelo's frozen dinners, 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's, 50 cent off 2 General Mills fruit snacks, 75-cent off 1 Kool-Aid, 50 cent off 1 American greeting cards, 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest, and after coupons, you're going to pay $10.54 for 12 items. But this deal does get even better because you're going to get 50 cents back on the Sweet Tart ropes, and if the cashback offers stack, you are going to get $4.29 back for the Angelo's frozen dinners and 50 cents back on the General Mills fruit snacks. And I do want to say that I've already tried out both of these deals and they stacked and worked perfectly with our DG cashback offers. So after you get all your cash back, that is going to make your final price $5.25 for 12 items, making each one just 43 cents each. All right, next up we have a little household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of these Scott 12-count bath tissue at $4.75, 1 of the all liquid laundry detergents at $3.75, 1 of the SUBTOTAL fabric softeners at $4, 1 of the FEBREZE Air Effects at $3.25, 1 Glade oil starter kit at $3.75, 1 Bounty Essential 1 count at $1, 1 Charmin Essential 1 count at $1, 1 Lysol 15 count wipes at $1, 1 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers 1 count at $1, and 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $25.50. Now let's take a look at the coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, 125 off 1 All or Snuggle product, 150 off 1 SUBTOTAL, 150 off 1 FEBREZE, 250 off 1 Glade, 50 cents off 1 Bounty, 50 cents off 1 Charmin, 75-cent off 1 Lysol, 50 cent off 1 Mr. Clean, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. After coupons, you're going to pay $7.50 out of pocket, but the deal gets even better because we do have a DG cashback offer for $1.25 on the all liquid laundry detergents. So if that stacks, that's going to make our final price $6.25 for 11 items, making each one just 56 cents each. All right, next up we have a little personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Olay Ribbons body wash priced at $7, 1 of the Bic razors at $5.50, 1 of the Skintimate razors priced at $6.75, 1 Schick Intuition razor at $8.25, 1 of the Dove Men travel size body wash at $2, 1 of the Always Discreet 26-count liners at $3.25, and 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.75. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Olay body wash, 4 off 1 Bic razors, 3 off 1 Skintimate razors, 4 off 1 Schick Intuition, 3 off 1 Dove body wash, that's going to take off $1.99, 4 off 1 Always Discreet, and 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest. After coupons, you're going to pay $5.75 for 8 items, making each one just 71 cents each. All right, guys, so there you have it. We are wrapping up our week at Dollar General, and man, it has been one crazy week. This will make our 13th video, so lucky number 13. Please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. I kind of explained it a little bit more for you all in the last video, but it really does make a huge difference. So please don't forget to help your girl out. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then, of course, make sure that you're subscribed and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.